what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how to get the Louis Vuitton filter on Instagram. So let's open Instagram, tap on your story. So once you are in your camera screen, you can tap on any filter. On the bottom of the filter you can see the name of the filter. Tap there and you can see browse effects. Tap there. Then from here in the screen you can scroll and you can search for your filter. Instagram don't have a search button, so it's difficult. So what we will do, I have already these filters in my device. So as you can see, this one, and this one, I find 3. So on the bottom of the screen, as you can see, I have the name of the filter. Tap there and click browse effect. Click on following. I am following the creator. So one creator is Dasa. So let's go to her profile. So you have to go to her profile and you can see this filter button in her profile. Tap there and you can see all the lenses created by her. You can tap on this Louis Vuitton filter. And on the bottom you can see this save button. Tap there to save the filter. So now the filter is in your camera. Likewise, one more filter is there from Jessica. Actually 2 more. So let's tap on our username. Let's go to our profile. So we are in our profile. So you can follow these 2 creator and you can I saved all the filter. The filter are in my camera. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get the Louis Vuitton filter in Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.